Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI on mobile in 2026. So if you want to create AI-generated images, manage projects, or experiment with prompts directly from your phone, Leonardo AI makes it easy to work on the go. First, open your mobile browser or the Leonardo AI app if it's available in your region, then sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and complete the setup process. Next, once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the mobile interface. You'll typically find image generation tools, account settings, and your previous creations accessible from the main dashboard. You can also use available enhancement, upscale, or editing tools directly from your mobile device to improve the final image. Once you're satisfied with the result, save or download the image to your phone using the available options. Finally, keep experimenting with different prompts and creative styles. So the more you practice using Leonardo AI on mobile, the better your images will become. And that's it. That's how to use Leonardo AI on mobile in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.